The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Toyota Tundra Short Bed. We've previously installed the Retrax PRO XR retractable bed cover. If you want to see a video of just that, we'll put a link to it in the description below. But on top of that, we've installed the Rhino-Rack Reconn-Deck bar RLT 600 crossbar rack system. So this is utilizing the super heavy duty Reconn-Deck bar, 71 inches in length, and the RLT 600 quick release leg. So you can see here, locks are included, and you can quickly and easily remove the crossbars and leg combo, allowing you to have full access to the truck bed really quickly. Or if you need to readjust the mounting base, you can take the bar leg combo off and do that super quick. So you see here, there are channels on both top, bottom, and both sides, and the bar itself is about 4 1/4 inches wide and really heavy duty. So if you're going to do like rooftop tents or heavy cargo, you definitely want to consider this system. And the big wide bar also gives that kind of chunky, rugged off-road look. So these bars are adjustable all the way to the front and back, whatever crossbar you need. You can see here it's still a pretty low profile fit, and it does allow for the handle of the cover to slide underneath. There's a little bit of contact. Rhino-Rack does have some spacers, so if you want to add spacers to do that, but you can still slip it by without having to purchase those. But if it is still an issue, you can actually also go with the Retrax EQ. That's the electronic retractable cover, which is pretty neat because it actually syncs up with your truck bed or your truck itself, and you use the factory key fob to control opening and closing. Anyways, it's been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this rack or cover with a couple clicks, visit the links in the description below. And that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.